Well, here we are again, back at it with this is kind of a little bit different video. This is a tool pocket dump. This is what's in my pocket all day, every day, at work. Normally I'll have two flashlights. I just picked one up because it was close to me. That's the Coast Pro, Slayer Pro. I carry the, what are these, 125 millimeter, the 6-inch I think they are, or the 5-inch Cobras. The little donut knife from O Knife. I like this knife because of how exposed the blade is. And I'm actually going to do a full review on this, or I have done a full review on this, depending on how these videos come out. And this is kind of like the Milwaukee, where it's got a screwdriver on the back. It's just not a full-size 1/4 inch, it's the 4mm variety. Then I also keep on me a set of plier wrenches, little ones. You know, they probably go up to, what's it say? These ones don't say. Oh, up to 7/8. It says right there. Capacity, 7/8. Again, 125 millimeter. And I keep a angled and sometimes a straight screwdriver on me, or a pry bar rather. Use this for O-rings, for digging stuff out of holes. Yeah, that's pretty much what's on my person. I mean, I'm a heavy duty mechanic, so I always have tools lying around, but if I go out in the yard or in the field to diagnose something, these are on me. I use these a lot for pulling apart electrical connectors. These ones and their bigger cousins, bigger brothers, I use a lot for hydraulic fittings. So 1/4 inch JIC line, use this, tighten it up, and they have a pretty slim handle, and they're like the Cobras where the harder you squeeze, the, especially you get up here, real good grip on them. Yeah, the Coast knife, again, that coating's, whatever anodization they've done has not taken very well. It is just rubbing off. But that's my pocket dump. That's what's in my pockets pretty much all day, every day. Unless I'm working on something very specific, but that's always what I have on me. Oh, and I'll grab this one. And I keep a little screwdriver on me, usually with Klein. And I like that for messing around with sensors, wiring on sensors. If I can't get my Raptors in there, I usually can use that to depress the locking tab and pull out to where it's not all relying on my fingertips. I got giant hands. I wear a 2 or a 3X glove. So, yep, those are the 6 things you'll always find on my person. Definitely these two are always in my pocket along with this. The flashlight, depending on what's charged and what's not when I wake up, or what dies during the day, determines what's in my pocket. I have a couple different screwdrivers I'll grab. And then I'll either have this knife or a Milwaukee Fastback or the DeWalt utility blade on me. But that's a heavy duty mechanics pocket dump.